Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I figured I'd put on some favorites from 2003. I've never done a video like this. Perhaps I should start doing it. Well, anyways, I've had 4 foundation favorites. I know. Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder, which they discontinued. Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish. Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturized Oil Free. And the one I'm going to use today is the BB Cream Aborian. I love this stuff. That was a new, it's not new per se this year, the stuff that I'm showing you. This is just my favorites from the year. Comes in a tube like that. I am in the fair shade Fair Light Clear. I'm going to use this, I think this is the face one. No. I'm going to use the BK Beauty 109. I've been into really medium to skin tints this past year. It has a slight fragrance to it, but it's not overpowering, and it dissipates. Then I have my, which I like, the Matte Light Rosy Skin Finish by MAC. I like the color of it, you know? I'm going to use this brush by Singe, the F05. Just gives a light color. It's the winter and I don't want anything too dark. I like that. Have to use that more often. And put on, I love this stuff. This is the Charlotte Tilbury under eye corrector. I'm in pale. then for blush, I discovered MAC's Gold Play blush. These. I'm going to use this one that says Blush Please. I'm going to use that same brush that I have with my foundation. These are really good. Kind of a nude pinky mauve. I keep the thing inside them. I don't know why, I just do. And then I have the Ultra Creamy Shape Tape, my new discovery this year. Love this stuff. And it looks like that. I like this brush from Singe. This is a-okay. I like it. And then my highlighter palette is the Shape Tape Glow Bar. Looks like that. Just leaves a nice sheer wash of color, you know? See what I mean? Leaves a nice sheer glow. That's a good one for every day that I like. And then, of course, there's the Natasha Denona palette. I need a nude. Gotta use that. In case you don't already have it, which you probably do. Gonna go into Fair, which is this color right here. Put that in my crease. Up to the brow bone. Just setting that. Then I'm going to take Mesh, which is right here, and deepen up that crease. Then I'm going to deepen up my outer V. And I'm going to go in with Tender. And I'm gonna go into Travertine, which is this color right here. And what is Travertine? Travertine is a metallic. I'm gonna put that on my lid. This is a beautiful palette. And that's that. And that's my look. Oh, lipstick. Lipstick. Can't see what color this is, but it's a deep brown. That's deep. So I need to lighten it up. This is L'Oreal's Ferris Nude 800. And it makes it more wearable. That's it. That's my look. I'm not putting mascara on because I felt like something was in my eye. And I you know, I just don't want to aggravate it. I have sensitive eyes. So that's it. My favorites. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.